Okay, so this is the web interface of the rock cloud. This is where you can interact with your data and use the tools that are available, including these here, which are the measurement tools we'll be looking at today. You've got the distance measurement tool, the height measurement tool, the height profile tool, and the area measurement tool. So before we look at those, how do we move around our point cloud? Well, it's dead easy, especially if you've got a mouse. To zoom in and out, just use the scroll wheel in and out. To move around, left click, hold and drag. And to change the perspective, right click, hold and drag. Okay, there we go. Great, we can move around our point cloud now. Let's take some measurements. What's our first measurement? It is the distance tool. Right, what can we use that on? Okay, we've got an access road here at the back of the fields. Let's measure how wide that is. Okay, we just have to zoom in there. Okay, click on the distance measure tool. Left click one side, left click the other side, and right click, and that's done. 2.997 meters. Okay, that's the distance there. Height measurement tool is the next one. Okay, let's have a look at this hedgerow, which runs alongside the access road. Let's check out how high that is. Okay, so we put the height measurement tool, click on a point down the bottom there, click on a point up the top, like that. Okay, 2.520 meters. There we go. That's the height measurement tool. Super easy way to get some accurate measurements directly from your data there. You can also get some great big measurements, so let's have a look at the area tool and look at the area of this field. Okay, there's the area tool. Click on that. You just left click to drop pins around the perimeter of the field there. Just go all the way around. Doing this nice and quick. Okay, on there, on there. Okay, and right click to finish. There we go, 51,313.144 meters. And you can also see the acres down the bottom here in that sidebar. Okay, the last tool is the height profile tool. Let's find something we can use that on. Okay, right, there was a ditch, I seem to remember, at the end of this field here. Let's have a look. Yep, there it is. Now, I seem to remember this was quite overgrown, so again, it's a good example of LiDAR seeing through that vegetation. Look at that lovely profile there of the ditch. Okay, so to get a height profile of that, just click on the tool there, left click one side, left click the other side, right click to finish, and then show 2D profile. Drag that down there a little bit. Just got to wait a little while for the data to load up. Okay, while it's loading up there, we've got the ODN height on the left here. So that's the Z-axis. Okay, so if we just look here at the bottom of the ditch, you can see on the yellow line the multicoloured ball shows you where you are looking. So right at the bottom of the ditch there, we've got 77.051 meters, and over on the road here we've got 77.961. There you go, it's just loading up a bit more data there. Okay, amazingly simple tool that, very useful. Okay, we'll close that down, and that's all the measuring tools. So all we've got to do now is check out the deliverables when we get them. So in a few days' time, I will do another quick video showing you the deliverables being opened in either CAD or a GIS software package, and the contours you can also look at directly on the point cloud here on the rock cloud. So I will see you again in a couple of days.